Long time no see. It's been probably the whole of August. August has been busy. School holidays are busy. And I've also been on like crazy shifts with work. And so I sort of dropped the ball a little bit. But it's okay, because I can pick it back up again. It's fine. So yeah, we're back. We're vlogging. We're going to vlog the weekend in my craft room. It's Friday afternoon. It is 2:20. I've just filmed a reel. That's exciting. Hopefully it'll have gone live as you watched this last week. Lovely little card. Very cute. Just a bit of DSP. Bit of, yeah, nothing particularly fancy. I might trim that bit off, bit long, but hey, I've not filmed a reel for a while. I'm a bit out of practice, so I'm going for something simple. I've got a simple card to make that would have gone up on Saturday. I've not decided what I'm going to make yet, because it's just, my brain's really full. That's the reason why I've not been on, because my brain's full. My daughter starts school today, as you watch this, so I'm filming on Friday, so Wednesday, 5 days time. She's 4, she's starting in reception. I feel sick. I just feel sick about the whole thing. Yeah. I'm just glad I haven't got to go back through school, because yeah. But anyway, so that's in my head, that's on my brain. And so I've not felt very creative. And yeah, this past week's been a bit mad. I realised I did 60 hours worth of day job work in the space of 5 and a bit days, because I worked 12 hours Saturday, Sunday, and then did nights Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So I've also got a bit of post-night brain fog, which I don't know if anybody else who's ever worked nights understands. You spend about 3 days after nights just going, where? What's my name? Where am I? And on top of that, I've also got a big creative project, which I could tell you about, I'm just not going to. I want to keep it keep it a bit of a surprise for the end of the month. So I'm working through that as well. And so, because I've got that in my brain, I'm struggling to think about anything else. But this launched yesterday. This is the new mini catalogue for September to December. It's partly Christmas. There's some nice florally bits in there. There's some New Year stuff. There's a bit of Halloween. Lots of things in there. There will be a link on my blog, so link in the down bar over to that, or there's a link on my blog to that. If you haven't already seen one, if you want a copy, a bit of paper copy, you live in the UK, just drop me a message. Instagram is the best way to get in contact with me, so that's at Stamping by Hannah on Instagram, and I can get one in the post to you, because I have a pack left. So yeah, please. There's some really good stuff in it though. There is some really good stuff in it, and yeah, that's what's going on. I need to choose a stamp set for Saturday that I've already filmed by now. By the time you know what I've made. By the time you watch this, you'll know what I made. I haven't got a clue. I feel like I should do something new. So maybe this. It's very nice. I've made one card with it already. There we go. Actually, there's a couple of new products on there. There's that stamp set, how gorgeous. And then this background, these snowflakes they are embossing paste, but using new masks. This pack of masks is great. So you've got a houndstooth, you've got some leaves, you've got that lovely snowflake, and then, this is really cool, I haven't played with this bit yet, you've got like a sunflower, but you like layer it up together. So you've got like, there's the middles and the leaves. I do need to have a play with that. I'm not going to do that for the video tomorrow, because I haven't had I need to have a proper play. I haven't had a chance yet, but I might, maybe next week, maybe this coming Saturday, we'll see. So yeah, maybe. Or I've got the bold, bright and bold. I can't remember. I can't get it in my head what it's called. As well, but somewhere on my desk. It's a bit of a mess. So yeah. Or I should go out Christmassy at all, because it's still only September. Oh, it's the 1st of September today. Like, pumpkin spice latte season now, isn't it? That's it. Summer's done. Summer's over. Bring on the autumnal coffee. Oh gosh, what to make? It's really hard. It's really hard. It should not be this difficult. There is some offers with Stampin' Up this month. That's good, isn't it? That's how my brain is working at the moment. So let me sign in because I genuinely can't remember. I think we've got an exclusive pack of DSP. Oh my goodness, you see my horrendous mess. Yeah, this box here, that, oh, there, that one. That's all retired. All needs selling. And I'm not organised at all. Where are we? Happening now. Oh, a special designer series paper. Very nice. Oh, that starts today. Yeah, I think that's, and then the new catalogue. That's exciting, isn't it? That's very exciting. If you want offers from Stampin' Up into your inbox, do sign up for my emails. They come out hopefully weekly-ish. Haven't done one in August. Not gonna lie, haven't done one in August. Will be doing lots in September. I will have sent one today by the end of today. It's just mad. So yeah, I'm gonna get on and work out what I'm gonna make and get crafting for the afternoon. I'll probably make myself another coffee because I haven't had enough coffee yet. Yeah. Okay. So I have a confession. It is, of course, now Monday afternoon. I have done quite a bit of crafting over the weekend. You'll have seen some of it already. I'm trying to think. What will you have seen? So you'll have seen that card. Showed you that card, didn't I? You might have seen that. That was my video from Saturday when I eventually managed to get that done. That is just in the pile of stuff. Oh, I did really well, actually. Got that one, that's coming up. Don't know when that one's for. That might be next week. Really cute. I'm really pleased with what I've made over the weekend. And some more, but I can't show you those bits because they're secret. But I thought, while I am... because I've just rewatched what I filmed on Friday because I couldn't remember what I'd said. And I was talking about this fabulous set of masks, wasn't I? And I have now used 2 of them. So I've used the houndstooth and I've used the snowflakes. I haven't used the leaves yet. Oh, goodness me, there's children. I do hope that you can't hear children screaming. They're not mine, if you can. But, yeah, so we've got this the rest of the set of masks is the sunflowers. And you sort of layer them up. So you've got the actual sunflowers, and then you put the centres over, and you line them all up with, there's like a little notch out, and so you line it all up like that, which I think is very cute. So I thought I would have a go with these masks. Now, I was playing with the masks the other day. I did something that I'd forgotten all about. So I've put a piece of Stampin' Seal on my grid paper. Probably can't see it, but you can hear it. I'm going to take some of the sticky off, and then, so you can see it now, I've got my dirty fingers on it, and then I can put my piece of basic white cardstock on. And it's going to hold it. It's not going to it's not going to hold it permanently, but it's going to hold it enough. Right, and then I'm going to put my mask on, you see. Now, what I'm going to do is, so that I know that all my masks line up in the same place, I'm going to take a pencil, when I can find one. Or a pen. A pen will do. And I am going to just draw that notch. So I then know that's where I need to line it up. So then I can take my colour. So I've got a slightly strange colour combination. Oh, I think it's slightly strange. In the fact that I've got really traditional daffodil colours. So I've got Daffodil Delight, Crushed Curry, Copper Clay, Wild Wheat, Parakeet Party, and believe it or not, that's Granny Apple Green. Which looks more like that than that. I don't know what's happened. It's sun bleached and a bit of a mess. But never mind. And then I've got my blending brushes. So I'm going to start. That is next door's children. They are very loud. Really hoping my camera's not picking that up. So I'm going to just rub over with my blending brush. And I have tapped off a little bit of the ink to start with. Because otherwise you've got just too much ink on the sheet. Just check that it's still lined up. Ooh, and then do the other two flowers. So they're all Daffodil Delight, and I've sort of started in the middle and kind of spiraled out so that you've got, and these two work really well, so you've got like the darker bit in the middle. How cute are they? Oh, they're lovely. So that's Daffodil Delight. I'm going to take some crushed curry and, oh no, the same mask actually, crushed curry. I'm going to try something, I'm going to be brave here. So I line that back up like that. And then I'm going to take my crushed curry, tap it off a little bit, and then just like in the very, very middle, so that I can get a bit of like a darker centre. Oh, I like that. Actually, the little ones, it'd probably work better with the smaller size blending brush. So, you've got the big ones, that size. We've got the dinky little ones, and the dinky little ones will probably be better off for those ones. But it's fine, it's fine. Oh, look at that! That looks really good, doesn't it? Oh, pleased with that. Then I'm going to take the kind of whole centre image and line that up. I'm actually going to take the same brush, and I've got wild wheat now. So I've done, the leaves are crushed curry and Daffodil Delight. So Daffodil Delight on first, and then crushed curry on second. So then that's a bit of wild wheat on the middles, which looks good. It looks good. And then I'm going to do a bit of copper clay on these kind of detailed bits. So I haven't got a brush for brown. I do have one that's almost clean, so I'll use that one. This is a weeny dinky one, which is fine because it's only a little stencil, isn't it? So I'm going to tap it off a bit because this is quite dark. This is a very new ink pad. Haven't used this colour very much. This is Copper Clay, is one of this year's in colours, and I just haven't really played with it much. But I think it's going to be quite a colour for autumn. Oh, look at those! They look so good. Oh, this is really easy actually. I'm impressed with this. And I was like, you know, when you buy something and you go, oh, this looks a bit complicated. But actually, it's all right. So line it up again, and that little, you know, it doesn't need much lining up really. So I have got a brush for green. I'm going to take my Parakeet Party first. Again, tap it off. And then do the leaves. And I have done, I've got out, like, you don't need to do lots and lots of different colours. You know, I could absolutely leave the leaves like that and they would be absolutely fine. Like, they look fine. But I'm not that person. I'm going to take a bit of Granny Apple Green anyway. I'm going to line that back up. They line up so easily. Oh, I'm really impressed with these. And then I want a bit of Granny Apple Green, tap it off a little bit, and then just on the kind of very top, like the bit of the leaf that's going to be like closest to the flower. A bit more on that one because it's kind of curled up, isn't it? There we go, and there, look at that! How cool is that? This is just a scrap. I've not cut this piece. I have no idea how big this piece of cardstock is actually. What is it, 9.5? Oh, 10 centimetres. So it's too long for a card. Too long for a card base. But I have a plan. I'm going to die cut it. I think with the tailored tag dies. I've used these a little bit over the past weekend. And I think I'm going to pull off that big tag there. And I could do, yeah, something like that maybe. And yeah, just something, as I don't know, this will appear at some point, probably on Instagram. But But yeah, isn't that so cool? I really like that. Awesome. Awesome. So, yeah, while I'm thinking about it, you can find these masks in this new catalogue. They are near the backish, if I remember rightly. There's so much in this catalogue. Oh, there they are. Easily missed, because they just look like that. There are a couple of things, actually, worth pointing out. There are some things that are really easy to miss. So these masks, I think, are quite easy to miss, because they blend out, don't they? They're not bundled with the stamps. So they're two separate items on that page. The thing that I'm really worried about people missing is this pack of designer series paper. So this is on page 5. So it's not really in the main catalogue. You've still got some bump before you get to the actual catalogue. But this pack of paper here, this is called Walk in the Forest, and it's the Making a Difference pack. So when you buy this pack of paper, which is stunning, by the way, I mean, look, the stripe's really cool. You've got the bears, there's a punch that coordinates with the bears. The trees coordinate with another die set. It's just really, really nice paper. But every time you buy a pack of this paper, Stamp It Up are going to donate £2.50 to organisations dedicated to spreading cheer and providing support to those in need. How cool is that? So, yeah, buy a pack of paper, donate to charity. Awesome. The other one, and now I haven't, like, there's some really easy things to miss. Always is, like, this tree die here. Super easy to miss because it's, like, hidden. Stamp It Up, why you do this? Why do this to me? The other one is this, which, again, I haven't actually purchased, but I really like it. These dies and these stamps are not a bundle. They are not paired together. They look fantastic together, but they're not. They're two separate items. That's page 21. There are, I mean, oh dear goodness me, I've got a cough. Yeah, just stunning things in this catalogue. I think my favourite suite, which I actually have to admit haven't bought yet, might go back and do it, is this one. It's called Winter Meadow, which just reminds me of a suite we had a few years ago. If you were around then, you'll know which one I mean. Just beautiful. And then one that is pushing me outside of my comfort zone, which I did purchase. Merry, Bold and Bright. It is like, knock your eye out. But this paper, worth noting, not very Christmassy. Like, you've got some Christmas lights, you've got two pages of Christmas lights, and one that says fa la 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 on it. But the rest of it is just pattern, and it's just great. I can see lots of stuff happening with that. So yeah, that is probably it for today. Because it is now 3:10 on a Monday afternoon. I have got heaps to do. And yeah, I've set myself a challenge of doing reels, lots and lots of reels. So I've got to get on with that, as well as making this big crafty project, which is already hurting my brain. But never mind. We'll get there, we'll win one day. Right, thank you ever so much for joining me. I'm going to die cut this out now and do something really fun, I think, with it. And I shall see you again soon. Thanks ever so much for watching. Don't forget, if you want to shop the new catalogue, the link for my shop is in the down bar below. If you want a copy of the catalogue, just drop me a message. And I'll see you again really soon. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.